kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I've got a delicious turkey recipe for you all. I'm gonna make jerk turkey, yes. But guys, this is not a whole turkey, okay? This is called turkey crown. So for many of you guys that don't want to cook a whole turkey, you just want to just make a little turkey on the side for your family, then this recipe is just for you, okay? So guys, I'm gonna make a simple turkey, okay? So these are all of my seasoning that I'm gonna use. Here I have 1 teaspoon of my jerk seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning. I also have some wet jerk marinade. This is from the bottle. Normally I would have made my own jerk marinade, but today I'm just gonna use it from the bottle. I have a video on my channel on how I make my jerk marinade, so you guys can go and check it out, okay? And this is 1/4 cup. And as I said, this is just a simple recipe, okay? Also have some olive oil, at least 3 tablespoons of olive oil. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend my seasoning. Just like so. Then I'm gonna add my olive oil just to get that turkey nice and moist. So guys, my turkey is already washed and clean, okay? And this is what it looks like. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna add my seasoning. It's gonna be so delicious guys, and full of so much flavor. I'm gonna flip it over and just add the seasoning on the other side. I know many people don't like turkey because a lot of people say it is dry, but once you cook it, the right way, it's not as dry as many people think. Make sure you add some seasoning on the inside right here. And I'm also gonna add some browning. If you don't have browning, you can also use dark soya sauce, okay? Oops. Normally I would have made my own jerk marinade, as I said, but I just want to do a quickly recipe for you all. You can make for your family over the holiday.
Come in the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she.
So I end up adding some more of my browning, okay? And this is just gonna give it a nice color. Make sure that everywhere is nicely seasoned. Make sure that the seasoning is all the way in the neck part. So now I'm gonna add my wet jerk marinade. And try not to add too much because it is really spicy. Flip it over. This is gonna be so delicious, super delicious. Flip it back over. So guys, now what I'm gonna do, here I have some scallion and some fresh thyme, and I'm just gonna add it on the inside of my turkey, like so. It's already washed and clean. You're just gonna, yeah, just leave it like that, okay? My oven is preheated and 180 degrees Celsius. So guys, this is my baking tray that I'm gonna add my turkey to, and it's have a grill at the bottom, as you can see. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add at least half cup of water. Then I'm gonna add some allspice. This is ground allspice, okay? And it's just gonna create a lot of flavor when the turkey is in the oven. So I add at least over 1 tablespoon. I add some of my scallion like so. Some of my scallion and fresh thyme, okay? That's my scallion right there. And I'm also gonna add some of my jerk powder seasoning, okay? Just gonna shake it up. So when it's in the oven and it is steaming, guys, all the steam go right on your turkey. Also gonna brush some olive oil on the baking rack. Yeah. Now is the fun part. Now I'm gonna add my turkey. Just like so. Perfect. So all this seasoning that's leave back in my pan that I season the turkey, you can just add some of the remaining seasoning, okay? And I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys. I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 1 hour. But guys, within 30 minutes, what you wanna do, you wanna be able to baste your turkey, okay? There's some liquid that is gonna leave back in your baking tray, and what you can do, you can take a spoon and just scoop it out and just pour it on the turkey, and that way it will keep nice and moist. You can do that every 30 minutes. Just baste it. But I'll show you guys. Just gonna add some fresh thyme. So guys, in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, I just removed my turkey from the oven, and this is what it's look like. It's been in the oven, guys, for just over 1 hour, okay? And what I've been doing, as I said, I've been basting it. I'm telling you, it's looking super delicious. I'm just loving the color. But guys, it is not yet finished. I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 40 minutes, okay? Because this is a medium-sized turkey. So obviously you have to make sure on the inside it's perfectly cooked, okay? So this is another way you can baste your turkey also. Just get a spoon or whatever you have and just, you know. Guys, what I did, I removed some of the liquid from my pan and I just add it to this bowl and I'm just gonna pour it on my turkey. This look absolutely delicious. It look as if I done it on an outside drum, and the color is just perfect. Perfect, guys. So guys, in the oven it goes for at least 45 to 50 minutes, okay? Yes. So guys, my jerk turkey is finally finished, and in total guys, it's been cooking for 1 hour and around 60 minutes. Yes, I'm telling you, it looking super delicious. It is perfectly cooked. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please go and share this video to someone that you know will enjoy it. I'm telling you, your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy this recipe. Super tasty. So my jerk turkey is all plated up and I'm just adding some of that liquid on top. Guys, just look at that. This look like some food prawn. Absolutely delicious. So as you can see, I add some decoration all around the plate. Some pangarine, some kale and cranberry. Yes, I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. If you try it guys, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? So guys, I'm just adding some more of my liquid on my turkey, and I'm telling you, it is super yummy and it look absolutely delicious. I cannot wait for you all to try this recipe because I know you all are gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna cut into it, and guys, look at that. The turkey is cooked to perfection. I'm telling you, so nice and so tender. Oh my goodness, this recipe right here is a must try. Your whole family are gonna enjoy this recipe. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please go and share this video to someone that you know will enjoy it, okay? I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Love you all.